Hello, my people. I don't come again. It's your sister AB Media. AB Media. God bless you for listening to me, for showing love to me. God bless you to my sisters and my brothers for everything you guys are doing for me. So today I bring something that is disturbing me, something where I want make una see, make una use una eye do Christmas for una self, make una see wetin dey happen for this our ogbonge Naija. Nothing person no go see for these pictures wey una dey see and the ones wey una dey see. This woman wey sit down, so I go show una make una see.
My people, now sorry for that interruption just now. I beg now call center the phone. I beg let's go back and start again. Madam, good morning.
Say na visiting, come visit.
What will be your name?
Na wahala come o person wey dey in own.
Okay, where you for come?
Anywhere wey person dey know dey dey careful. You no see person wey dey in.
I beg my people, men are not vex on our call center that this way interrupt the phone. So I beg men are not vex on that interruption. So madam, what will be your name?
They turn another thing. Na God go dey help us because
what about you?
Wetin dey happen. See, even the woman wey come
it get some matter wey dey happen for Ogiso on the 4th. Wey dey trend everywhere on Facebook say one woman carry one girl go river. The kind of dey deliver, the woman no bring the girl come back again. And many of our people for diaspora and Nigeria, dem dey ask why, wetin happen, how this matter dey happen. Many allegations don still dey say so na so police chop money, na so dey bribe police here, na so dey bribe police there. So we want una tell the world and Nigeria diaspora and Nigeria in Africa wetin really happen on the 4th of January 2021. So now we Chris Media Group say we wan find out wetin really happen for that on the 4th. So madam, wetin happen on that the 4th? Abeg, very comprehensive. Tell us wetin happen on the 4th.
No, you know say this our Naija, dem go just dey take law for their hand. You no go find out before you go know dem go dey find death.
Who be your friend? Wetin be her name?
Something happen, you have to cool down. There's a police there, there's a people vigilante there. You call them, they will take the person and check out first. Know is it true or not. Wait, but Nigeria,
you don't ever go that place before?
All those things don't make sense. So all these my brothers, now they see what they do. I don't know what they do. They come to throw money where they forgive people. They throw am for water, make water they take the money. Make water they take the money. Una they see what they do. You say where they go give for people where need money, people where need get people where they hungry. You get people where we say they no see food to chop. Our people, I don't know what they do us, but God will help us. I say make I show on a beautiful place. Do you see this place? This place is very beautiful. I love this. Can you see this? This place is so beautiful and clean. So I want to show you the road. The road is so beautiful. I say, wow, this place, can motor move there? I'm seeing motor drive now. I say, what is this? So I say, let me bring in all these different things for you guys, so you guys go to see what they happen. Look at the way the motor is going. So I was so scared. I said, God, how this road is so tiny, but people are moving around there and people are driving. Look at, you get step 1, you have step 2, you have step 3, you have step 4. I was like, I'm so scared. I was so very scared. I now say that if there is 2 cars coming, so how do these people do if there is 2 cars coming? Because I was so scared. Okay, look at the place. The place is very big and tall place. I don't know. Look at the road. So it's not easy. I was so scared. I said, let me show you guys to see what is happening. And people are living there. The car is still moving there. I was so scared. I said, this car will not fall down. They said, no way, it will not fall. It's already there. There's nothing is going to happen to the car. I said, I was so scared. So I said, let me show you. So you people that they are showing me love and subscribe to my channel. So no, now they use an eye, they do Christmas for themselves. I said, make una they use an eye, they do Christmas for themselves. Not a person who go see, but this thing is so beautiful. I was looking at all these things. So I was passing and say, wow, look at bleach on top of water. Can you see that? And I love the color of the water. The water is so beautiful. So I say let me show you guys to check it out. So the place is so nice and it's very beautiful place. I just love this place. So it's what I bring. I say let me show you guys to be seeing a lot of things in my channel. To be, if you don't have me, you have to grab me, because this time around I will be bringing what is happening. I don't want to bring something that no, you never see. The one you never see, now you go to see you. The one you never see, now you go to see. I say let me show you what is happening. You can see this, you can see a lot of things. I say let me show you what you need to see, because we need to see a lot. We need to see a lot of things. We need to know what is happening in the world. You can see the road is very clean. African road, you go feel which time our government go do our roads to be fine like this is what I'm thinking. Is why I bring this video. Which time our government, our president, which time they will do African road look like this, which time they are going to do our road to be so beautiful like this place, which time but they are going outside, traveling around, going another country, spending money, but they don't want to do Africa like this. So Africa will be fine, so Africa will be looking so good, people will be coming as a tourist. I bet more na using an eye do Christmas again. I say make I dey tell you now, God will help us for that Naija, because a lot of things is happening. A lot is happening, and I don't love what is happening in Nigeria. I don't love it at all, because we need to change. All this our government need to change all these things where they do. They need to change. They need to change.
Il y a des vérités, comme tu vois, je pense que quand on s'aime, on ne regarde plus les défauts. Voilà, tu me veux, je t'aime tant, tu sais. Je t'aime mon amour. Tu connais le
So you can see this my brother and the you know say this life where you see no be small thing. The guy go look the as this my sister tall rich and fine girl. Now so this man you go and check the girl out and tell the girl that you want them to, you understand, to even take a sip of drink. Can you see that? And the girl is a very tall girl. I was like, I laugh, no be small, my sister. It's good make person they enjoy himself when there's no time. This time, no time. You don't have to be squeezing yourself. Anything that you know that it will favor you, anything that you know that you like, go for it. This guy is not scared though. He just went to he just go there. He's not scared. You understand? You don't know. Some people will say they want to chase a woman, they will be so scared. I don't know about this woman. You know, this woman is so stubborn. I know this woman is so. No, be proud, determined, move. If you love the girl, show out. You don't see the way the guy just went to the girl, went there. Person just went there and tell them to take and do their hand like this. You understand? So make I no bite my mouth. Anyhow I go dey knack am. Now I say make I bring things wey go dey happen for more na dey watch and see. All those things good, make we dey watch and dey see wetin dey happen. No be say we go just dey we go dey think. Sometimes it's good to think, but when you think, no think too much because of BP. I say make una dey show me love. Dey subscribe to my channel. I will dey bring a lot of things for you guys. God bless you for everything you guys are doing for me. More love, more prosperity for you all. Father go bless you. Our Father will live for up will bless you. And we got the guide you now. Now block now go they bring for now. Nothing they happen. You understand? Everything. Now they say make a they show now. God bless you, my people. God bless you all, my lovely people. God bless you. Remain blessed.